Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Adobe Express on your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, you have to download this application. You can get it from Play Store or Apple Store. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. And we can use this application to edit our photo, remove background, animate characters, and also generate QR code. And I'm going to click on View All to see all features in this Adobe Express. And then I'm going to use this Adobe Express to generate image with AI. So I'm going to go to the generate image and I'm going to describe what I want to create. I'm just going to type in magical forest, just like this, and then I'm going to click on generate. Okay, and then you can also use another feature according to your needs. And I'm going to click on continue. Okay. Okay, and wait guys, the AI is generating an image for me. Okay, and these are the results guys, and you can choose which of the result you want to use. And for instance, I'm just going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to tap on that. Okay, and if you want to download this photo, you can click on this icon and then the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Adobe Express on mobile phone, especially using the Adobe Express to generate image. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.